Hi, we're the Feds, Team 201 from Rochester Hills, Michigan. This video is a part of our G201 initiative to make FIRST robotics teams and the world more sustainable. This video will include how-to instructions on a project we have created to reach this goal. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to check out our website, feds201.com, to learn more about our team.
Hey FIRS, this is Team 201 of the Feds, and in this video we're going to show you how your team can become more environmentally friendly by replacing disposable items with reusable alternatives. Let's dive in. As we all know, FRC competitions are fast-paced and exciting, but they can also create a lot of waste. From disposable plastic bottles to paper towels, many of the items we use are single-use, contributing to unnecessary waste throughout the planet, whether they end up in landfills or directly into the ocean.
But what if we can make a change? Today, the Feds will show you some suggestions on how to replace many of those disposable items with reusable ones to reduce waste, save money, and contribute to the environment.
Let's start with some simple swaps you can make in your FRC workspace.
First up, water bottles. It's easy to grab a disposable plastic bottle, but they pile up quickly, especially during a weekend competition.
Switching to a reusable water bottle, like a stainless steel or a BPA-free water bottle, it can drastically cut down on waste. Not only is it better for the environment, but it keeps your drinks cold or hot for hours too.
Most competitions have refill stations, so refilling your bottle is super easy and eco-friendly.
Make sure you clean your used water bottles after 2 to 3 days at most, making sure you not only reduce eco footprint, but also prevent the growth of bacteria.
Next, let's talk about organizing your tools and parts. Instead of using disposable plastic bags to store small parts or tools, invest in reusable plastic bins, tool organizers, or even cloth pouches.
These containers are durable, stackable, and will last for years, keeping your parts organized and your workspace clean. Every team needs tape, but did you know that some tapes are made of plastic materials and aren't recyclable?
Look for eco-friendly tape alternatives, such as paper-based or biodegradable tape. These options perform just as well, but without the environmental impact.
Bags and containers are important for every team, whether it's for storing food, water, or other important items for competition season. Plastic bags are one of the great contributors to waste annually, so how can we cut down on their use?
If you can't recycle, then reuse. Ziploc bags can be reused numerous times and are long-lasting. Or you can opt for a cloth bag, which is even more durable and cost-saving. At events, many teams use disposable plates, cups, and utensils. But what if we could bring our own reusable items?
Bring your own reusable cutlery, plates, and cups. You can even make it a fun team challenge to see who can pack the most sustainable lunch kit.
Of course, there will be some waste, but let's make sure we're doing our part by recycling properly.
Ensure that your team is aware of what can and can't be recycled at events. Take a few minutes to educate your teammates on proper waste disposal and make recycling a team effort.
Every small change makes a difference. By swapping out disposable items for reusable alternatives, you're not only helping the environment but also setting a great example for other teams.